What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. In this video, I will tell you about the latest leaks and rumors of OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 8T has only just been announced, but a tech tipster has already revealed what's thought to be the code name for the OnePlus 9. Max J tweeted an image of an outline of a OnePlus phone. We know this due to the physical alert slider that's been a feature of OnePlus phones for a while, along with the word Lemonade, which is thought to be the development name for the next high-end OnePlus phone. OnePlus tends to release new flagship killer phones every 6 months or so, usually starting with a new phone revealed around springtime and then an upgraded T model some 6 months afterwards before repeating that cycle again the next year. So it's no surprise that OnePlus could already be working on the OnePlus 9. The way the codename is framed in Max J's retweet would suggest that a pair of OnePlus 9 phones are coming, the standard OnePlus 9 and a OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 8 Pro is still the top OnePlus phone, given it did not get a T upgrade this year. The OnePlus 8 Pro was a true flagship phone from the Chinese company with impressive camera performance, wireless charging and a fantastic display. We would expect OnePlus to build upon the success of the 8 with new chip upgrades and likely the dual battery system of the OnePlus 8T. The OnePlus 8T is rather lovely phone in terms of build quality and design, but it did not really offer a major upgrade over the OnePlus 8 or indeed OnePlus phones from 2019. So we would really like to see OnePlus nail the upgrades this time. A more powerful chip is expected, but we would like to see wireless charging make it into the OnePlus 9 as well as the 9 Pro. One of the best features of the OnePlus 7 Pro was its pop-up selfie camera, which enables you to have a display that was not disrupted by a camera cutout. The OnePlus 8 Pro makes use of a punch-hole selfie camera, which felt like a step backward, but we would like to see OnePlus innovate again in this area. Perhaps it could go for an under-display camera. And about cameras, we would like to see OnePlus really work on camera performance for the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. Given the powerful performance OnePlus phones have, their clean take on the latest version of Android, camera performance is really the only hurdle OnePlus has to clear. If it can do that with the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, then we could be looking at a pair of phones to challenge the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21. We have got some 6 months to wait before we see what OnePlus can deliver, but we have high expectations. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.